Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Kritika Khitani. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to share a few exercises to lose weight, reduce the fat and keep you healthy.
Let's start with the number one exercise. So the number one exercise is jumping jack. Continue this for about 20 times. Relax and make sure that you take a break for about 30 seconds after each exercise. Now we move on to the number 2 exercise, which is down to up jump. For this, you need to touch the ground or your toes, then come up and jump. Continue this chain for about 15 times. It is completely fine if you are able to do this for about 10 times. Relax and take a break for about 30 seconds. Now we move on to the number 3 exercise, which is crisscross side kick. For this, first take your right leg, get it at the front and kick. Then put it at the back and kick. Front kick, back kick, front kick, back kick. Continue this for about 15 times. Now, left leg. Front kick, back kick, front kick, back kick. Continue this for 15 times. Relax and take a break for about 30 seconds. Now we move on to the fourth exercise, which is toe touch kick crunches. For this, both your hands should simultaneously come down when you kick up, and both your hands should simultaneously go up when your leg is down. Continue this for about 20 times. Also, if you are not able to do it for 20 times at a stretch, you can do 2 sets of 10 each and take a break for about 30 seconds after you complete each set. Relax and take a break for about 30 seconds. Now we move on to the fifth exercise, which is lunge jack. For this, fold your knees, left knee at the front, right at the back and come down. Now, right at the front, left at the back and come down. Continue this chain for about 15 times. It is okay if you do this for 10 times. Relax and take a break for about 30 seconds. Now we move on to the sixth and the last exercise, which is left to right toe touch. For this, touch your right leg toe with left hand and bring your right hand up like this. Then touch your left leg toe with right hand and bring your left hand up. Continue this chain for about 20 times. Also, if you are not able to do this for 20 times at a stretch, do 2 sets of 10 each and take a break of about 30 seconds after you complete each set. A warm-up is a must before you start exercising. And after you're done exercising, just stretch your body and relax.
I hope you guys found this video useful. If you liked the video, do hit the like button, share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Work It Out. I will be back next week with a new video. Till then, if you have any video ideas related to workout, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try uploading the same. For more updates, stay connected to my Facebook and Instagram page and do follow the same. I have added the links to my Facebook and Instagram account in the description below. Until next time, stay happy. Bye.